2 in the morning. How bad do you really gotta go to the restroom? 'Cause I need to go back to sleep. 'Cause I'm gonna have to go pick up some Freedom Rangers. Juju, get back in the house now! At another hour and a half, probably. They usually shove around 4 to 5 in the morning. Go ahead and get their poop out the way so they ain't bugging me when I get up to go. I got the brooder set, temperature regulating. So all 50 of them little boogers should be pretty happy. Beep beep boop boop. I'll go back in and try to get some more sleep. Good job, yeah. Good job. Juju, where you at, Ju? Yes, y'all are doing good. Yeah, let's go back inside. Yeah. Come on, guys. Peace.